Cummins Insight is to read Cummins engines. Service Max is to read international engines. Tech Tool is to read Volvo and Mack trucks.
Okay.
Service Ranger is to read problems with transmissions. We also have Electronic Technician, the one right here.
Yeah.
That one is to read Caterpillar engines.
Okay.
So any Caterpillar engine, you can connect to it. Each of the programs is very simple. You have Diagnostic Link. Diagnostic Link is the one to read Detroit's.
Okay.
Whenever this window pop up, just let it open until they close by itself, because there is a programming here that uses these sub-programs that are in the computer, and that's Tech Tool. Tech Tool is to diagnose Volvos. Max is a great tool, bro.
Okay.
Okay. The password for Tech Tool is gonna be M112311.
Got it.
Okay? So whenever you need to use that guy, they're gonna ask you for that. And actually, that's gonna be only the ID. Then you put the ID, you don't have to put any password, just okay, and it will open Tech Tool. Tech Tool is for Volvos and Max. Service Mac is to open international trucks.
International?
So you can
Okay.
diagnose international engines.
Okay.
You have an international engine, you can open up. There's no password required in either one, only this guy right here.
We're doing the injector test right now, Jim.
Well, the test. Like losing power or anything.
Jim, your truck's okay. There's nothing wrong with it.